The moon, the silent sentinel in the sky. Its surface has always felt familiar to us. But what about its interior? For years, humanity has wondered, what lies at the heart of the moon? Now, we have an answer. A recent study has revealed that at the moon's core lies a solid iron core, remarkably similar to Earth's. Yes, right at its center, there's a sphere with the density of iron. Just like Earth, a liquid outer layer and a solid inner core. And this massive heart is about 258 kilometers in diameter. This discovery is more than just about the moon's structure. It's a critical step in understanding the first billion years of the solar system, how the moon formed, and even why its ancient magnetic field disappeared. But how did scientists find this out? They analyzed seismic data from the Apollo missions, laser ranging, the moon's gravitational relationship with Earth, and even its subtle orbital wobbles. The result? A slow yet dramatic internal overturn inside the moon. Heavier materials sink toward the center, while lighter ones rise. This inner movement aligns with volcanic features on the surface, and now explains why the moon once had a powerful magnetic field. The scientific community is excited, because this discovery confirms a theory proposed by NASA in 2011. Now we have a much clearer picture, and maybe, on our next journey to the moon, we'll be able to test these internal secrets directly. The moon's surface has always fascinated us, but its interior was a mystery. Now that mystery has been revealed in the form of a solid truth. The moon is not just a celestial body we admire from afar. It's a symbol of our deep curiosity and scientific passion.